Cheta,
Great to see you.
how are you?
Very good, very good.
Wonderful. You know, everybody's
everybody. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I was at 5 minutes. I was trying to find out where you are live. I went to your ID, then I realized it's not. It's in Cricket. So yeah.
Cricket. But Srisan, before I begin with, thank you very much for your time and thank you for making yourself available.
No,
you
no,
know,
it's an honor. Thank you, thank you.
I've done quite a few lives. I did lives with Dinesh Karthik, with Wasim Jafar, with Akash Chopra, and each time I was doing lives, they were saying, "Please get Srisant as well. Please get Srisant as well." So we had to chase you.
Wasim bhai is class. I mean, I think even the last innings he scored a 100 for Vidarbha, right? So
yeah. And there's no absolute change in his demeanor or his reaction. He's just the same constant, and he does everything.
Yeah.
Sri, how are you? How are the kids?
Very good. I mean, everything is good. Family being busy. I was just training. Then my wife suddenly realized it's about to be 8. So she said, at least just wash your face, change your t-shirt and get on live. So I said, okay. Because, yeah, I was training because I realized it's 8 o'clock. And, you know, in this lockout timing, it's very difficult. Hardly people know about the time. So today I went upstairs. There is a small gym area and all that. So I was playing with the kids, and then I realized, you know, if I train till 7:30 and then get ready, it will be brilliant.
So Srisant, when you say you're training, I can only say one thing, that September 2020 is what you are aiming for at this point.
Yes, September. I mean, see, my friends and a lot of people are saying, you know, Shri, यार तेरा पूरा तू बैन था अभी 6 साल 7 साल, अभी तेरा क्रिकेट शुरू होने वाला है और सबका क्रिकेट बंद हो गया. तो मैं बोला यार ऐसे मत बोल. भगवान की शुक्र है कि you know सबको एक मौका मिल रहा है. Actually, you have to look at the brighter side and the positive side. कि हमें टाइम नहीं मिलता अपनी फैमिली के साथ गुजारने का, और सबको, especially when you are not just celebrities. I'm telling a normal human being also, when they go to work and और अगर स्कूल से भी देखे, स्कूल के जैसे स्कूल पे जाने लगते हैं, उसके बाद it's very difficult to even spend time with your mom, dad or your family or your friends. And I मजाक में मैं बोला पिछले लाइफ में कि this is the best time to actually you know, call up your friend circle who you're not in touch with, and say यार तेरा नंबर कौन सा था यार मेरा, you know, it's always nice to get back to them and be grateful. I think this is a great opportunity to be grateful and have gratitude. So I think
Sri, I need to tell you something. I need to tell you something, Sri. I'm getting so many comments right now. I guess I have to stop talking and take all those comments. But before that, I want to tell you one thing. Sri, you had a great start to your career. 2006, 7, things were just going upwards. Then you had a blip as well. There's no cricketer like you who's disappeared into oblivion and still had mass craze of fan following, not just on social media, but in person as well, all over India and the world. What is this about Srisant that makes him such a fanboy for all the people even today?
Bhagwan ki kripa hai ki I think I was very, very, very fortunate. I'm still fortunate that I could come live and people are still wanting to know what I'm up to. So बहुत शुक्रिया, सबको शुक्रिया करूँगा क्योंकि I think I have a never give up attitude. मैं आज ऐसे ही देख रहा था और मेरी you know, Naeem ji, who's my wife, she's like, do you have any idea how many times you've got dropped and stuff? So don't worry, you'll always come back. You always make a comeback. So maybe one of those reasons, even the fans or people, they might relate me with not just cricket, but to life also. Because even now as we speak, I was training and, you know, September is not that far. And I'm 37, but I'm not going to give up. So it's all about...
You look 27. Sri, you look 27.
Yeah, minus the...
I'm pleased.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. मैं बोल रहा था 7 साल मिस हो गया, अभी 7 साल और खेलूंगा. तो I am looking at the positive side. Maybe that's why I always send this message across from the time, you know it better too. Even when I was playing, I was never scared of any you know, any players better than me, because I enjoyed playing with them, because only then you get to know how good you are. So that made me work really harder. So all these things, and I've been always been I don't know, I was only aggressive on the field, not off the field.
Yeah, exactly. Sri, for all those who are tuned in right now, if you want to seek inspiration, look at this man. The never say die attitude, never give up. And that's why I'm telling you, I'm very happy having this chat with you, because we all reach a crossroad in life, Sri, where we have doubts, where we have demons in the mind, where we say, can we or can we not, should we or should we not. And here we have you, despite seeing, I would say some difficult moments in life, you're presenting a very confident smile filled with hope and faith and self-belief. And all the followers of Sreesanth and CricFit as well, this chat will be very important in defining your careers as well and your future decisions. And I have to tell you one thing, people have called you a maverick, people have called you a character, people have called you an aggressive bowler, people have called you a captain's man, a match winner. Who the real Sreesanth is?
Just a son who was born to a lovely two parents. They gave me good genes. And I'm blessed to have a lovely siblings group also. My brother and two sisters, even the brother-in-laws who came into my life was superb. And just one sec, Aditya Narayan says hi. So Adi, I love you. I always trouble him when he goes live. So it's nice. Thank you, Adi. Thank you for the support. And yeah, coming back, I am just another kid who believed in his dreams because being from Kerala, I only looked at athletes, especially because a lot of Olympian athletes come from here. My favorite athlete is obviously P.T. Usha, and I love Shani Wilson ma'am. I love Anju Bobby George, and I was very fortunate to work with Wilson Cherian sir, Olympians. A lot of Olympians I could work with. So all these people always motivated me. And so I think they always say I still have the never give up attitude, because when Tinu Yohanan played for the country from Kerala, that gave me hope. But I'll be honest with you, I had written in my diary in 2000, I think 99-2000, when I joined Bhavan Salamakra, when I came back from Bangalore. I remember Abhida ma'am wrote a thing called be a proud Florencian whatever you achieve. And she brought a poem for me. And that motivated me. So all this, I'm just another guy, right? Another guy who believed that nothing is impossible. If he can, I can. If she can, I can. And as long as I don't give up on my dreams and I don't give up on my training, and a lot of people say the will to succeed, right? But I think I believe in, and I'm sure all the people around, I just want them to believe in one simple thing called the will to prepare for success.
Prepare. Yes, well said.
Prepared. When everybody says knock the door, I mean, don't knock the door. Let them come and knock your door. You should be that good that they cannot ignore you. So that's me.
Yeah, that's the saying. The will to win is important, but the will to prepare is vital, and that's what you're trying to put across. Okay, Sri, should I ask you questions or should I take questions first up from all the fans? You take the call.
Yeah, you use that. Fans first, and your family. So please.
Okay, we'll start with the fans. Okay, we'll start with the fans. We'll take first one. Oh my God, there are so many that they're just flying past, and I just wonder how can I control over them. Okay, my first question to you, Radha. I start. The best captain that you've played under, Sri, so far until now.
Very difficult, but obviously I love MS Dhoni bhai, because winning that World Cup, and he kept me on that final leg, which is the biggest moment for my life, when I took that Misbah's catch, where all the Malayalis were proud, all Indians were proud, because there was this statement saying across the globe, Misbah forgot that there's a Malayali every corner of the earth. I will go with the under captains. Yes, surely MS Dhoni bhai, and Dhoni bhai was brilliant. But then again, Rahul bhai. I mean, I think all the captains there played part, because Rahul bhai is the one who made me believe. Sorry, excuse me. That you are not here with coincidence. You are here because you really performed. You did really extremely well in first class. You got the best of wickets. That's why you got this blue cap. So you have to be proud of that moment. So there are certain things which I learned from Rahul bhai as a captain. And 2006, the South African Test series, everybody talk about my performance. I'll be honest. That series, when I went into the series, I was not sure whether I'll make it to the first Test 11. I was not sure even the practice match when we played in Potchefstroom whether I'll make it to the 11. So, but Dada, Ganguly, I was making a comeback. Dada and Rahul bhai made a special effort to guide me. And in the match, Sachin Baji came up to me and said, Shri, you're winning this match for me. So, Dhoni bhai and Rahul bhai, I've played only under two captains. Anil bhai, I couldn't play because I was injured with my back. I would have loved to play under Anil Kumble, because I started my career as Anil Kumble's action. So,
yes, I was coming to that as well. I did read about that as well. But you're talking about South Africa. Many fans are asking two deliveries over there, or rather two moments over there. One is that delivery to Jacques Kallis. You planned it. It just was executed beautifully. It became a photo finish for most of the Indian fans. That delivery like that, and then that Andre Nel celebration that you gave it back to him in typical dancing style.
Thank you, Mikhail. Thank you. First, my favorite ball, though, I mean, is bowling to Sachin Paji in that Challenger Trophy, my first wicket where I got him LBW. I mean, that's where all started.
But Sri, कहा जाता है कि you were too charged up when bowling to Sachin that time, and you were like you did celebrate too wildly after getting his wicket.
No, that was in the first 2005, but in 2006 he gave me a replay where he hit me. He stepped out. और मुझे अभी भी याद है पहले बॉल जो मुझे पेस किया मिड ऑफ के ऊपर पे छक्का मारा, उसके बाद मैंने थोड़ा जेस्ट शॉट पे आउटस्विंग डाला, आउटस्विंग जो मूवमेंट करते हुए बॉल को ऐसे लिटरली हाफ पुल मार के फ्लैट सिक्स मारा था स्क्वायर लेग के ऊपर। तो सचिन पाजी के साथ पंगा नहीं लेना है, कोई भी नहीं लेता। मैंने पंगा नहीं लिया, केरला से था और कैसे बोलूं, एमआर पीस फाउंडेशन था और डेनिस ली के अंडर, आई एम अ ह्यूज फैन ऑफ डेनिस ली एंड एलन डोनाल्ड। So I come from that kind of a school. So from there to bowl to Sachin Paji, who I just wanted to see. So I said, wow, he's making a comeback after an injury. There is an opportunity here, Sri. Let me make all the Malayalis proud. There I was only because everybody is going to pray for Sachin Paji because he was making a comeback, even including me. But in that match against Sachin Paji, I am sure a lot of Malayalis prayed for me. So maybe I was just lucky. Maybe it was his first match. So it's very difficult to get Sachin Paji out. I am blessed that हम लोग Sachin Paji के era में जिंदा भी हैं।
श्री, आपने एक बाउंसर भी डाला था उनको।
Oh, that is in 2013, my last first class Irani Trophy, Mumbai versus rest of India. जब वो 95 में बैटिंग कर रहा था और मैंने बाउंसर मारा, same ball जो, if you look at it, cricket. So if you look at it, it was somewhat the same ball I bowled to Callis. बहुत लोग उनको कंपेयर करते थे, Callis is a good cricketer. Yes, he is a decent cricketer. I mean, he's a good cricketer. He's a brilliant all-rounder cricketer. But you cannot compare him with Sachin Paji. The amount of cricket and pressure which he goes through every match is different. So that if you look at that side by side, both, if somebody, I mean, अगर कोई देख रहे हो तो प्लीज एक वीडियो बना दो, एक साइड में सचिन पाजी और एक साइड में उनमें पता चलेगा कि सचिन पाजी ने ले ला, मतलब प्रॉपर, he just took it, as if he knew what I'm going to bowl, and he took the ball. He was watching the ball till the end, and the next ball, most of the times when you bowl up an outswinger, you get an edge. And Sachin Paji played an off. It was like, trust me, Sachin Paji is unse koi na panga nahi lena chahiye. I think I just tried to get him out, as it's my duty to get him out. But even when I bowl to him, I always think he should score 100. So it's crazy. I'm in one way, I always I'm so happy. I always been grateful that I'm an Indian, that I have to play for the country, which is Sachin Paji, who is playing for the same country. Otherwise, my career would have got ended long back.
Srisan, some questions quickly over here. Sagar is saying, Srisan, only this sound should chant once again in the ground. Very kind of you, Sagar. Rahul is asking, what is your current bowling speed, Sri? And Mishra is asking, when are you planning a comeback? Devanshu Mishra.
Mishra, thank you very much. The last time I clocked was 143.6. That was in February. After that, I haven't bowled much because of the quarantine and all that. But yes, I have indoor facility upstairs, so I keep practicing. See, the lockdown happened now, but I have been locked down for last 6 years without getting a permission to, I look at the funniest side. I did manage to get an indoor facility, and when there is nobody there, and it's like I train when there is nobody watching. I think I've been blessed to have that facility. So I keep training, and I'm sure first class is coming. One day matches are on September. I don't know how it's going to go because I came to know that it might get delayed. So family first, health first, cricket. So cricket is my life, which I missed. I am going to give my very best all these days only to the game. And I had signed few movies. Once the ban got lifted, I gave the money back. I gave the advance back, and I have only one commitment, which is a Marathi movie actually. 15 days to 18 days work. Then I am done. So it's only going to be cricket. Thank you for the question, and I'm sure by September 2020, I should be back playing for Kerala, and hopefully win Ranji Trophy. I was fortunate to win 2 World Cups. So win Ranji Trophy, win Irani Trophy for my state is my goal. And in that process, if I'm doing well and if I'm fit and if I do the yo-yo 18 plus, why not? Why not play for the country with
Oh
amazing
my God. And Srisan, let me tell you one thing. We are all looking forward to your comeback. We are all anticipating for your comeback. And we are all wishing you the very best as well for your comeback, Sri. You've seen it all, and that's why you deserve as well the best part of it. Now, Sheikh Suhail is saying, how did you feel catching Misbah ul Haq's catch? And Om Mangtani is asking, what was going through your mind when you were taking that catch?
Misbah ko
Having problems with the network. Just trying to connect with you again. We're just trying to connect with Sri once again. His network may have just fallen apart. We're just waiting for him to get back.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can. Now I can, yes.
Yeah. So one thing I will be thankful that, he played till 42 as a captain of the Pakistan team and all that. And so that is one motivation from the other side. It inspires me, like Leander Pace played till 47. So
I am Vijayan as well. You take a lot of inspiration from I am Vijayan as well, I believe.
Vijayan Chetan is, I took the name of best athlete is P.T. Usha. But for me, the best sports person ever born in Kerala is I am Vijayan Chetan. I am Vijayan Chetan is, how do I say? I get emotional when I talk about him because he's somebody you always looked up to. Whenever I met him, he used to look up to me and said, Shrey, Pulikuttan. Pulikuttan means tiger ka, so it's like cub. So Pulikutta, don't ever give up, okay? You go on a show. So I am Vijayan Chetan is my, how do I say, he's too much respect for him. So that is one. And while taking that catch, I think a lot of Indians, I'm sure including you, a lot of Indians must have thought it went for a 6. क्योंकि जैसे कैमरा वर्क था पूरा सस्पेंस थ्रिलर दिखा रहा था तो I had to move 3-4 steps back from short fine leg, slightly run behind. मगर हम लोग बहुत प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. रॉबिन सिंह सर हमारे फील्डिंग कोच थे और उन्होंने बहुत बार क्योंकि बहुत लोग पैडल स्वीप T20 फर्स्ट टाइम हैपनिंग. इंडिया ने सिर्फ एक ही मैच खेला था सतौर के खिलाफ, वो हम जीते थे. दिनेश कार्तिक मैन ऑफ द मैच था उसमें. तो मगर वो जो प्रैक्टिस सेशन होता था शॉर्ट फाइन लेग से जो बैकवर्ड होते थे, तो आई थिंक दैट रियली हेल्प मी बिकॉज दैट I was prepared the moment Misbah started moving around. I also started moving back, and thanks to Joginder Bhai, क्योंकि Joginder Bhai is a match winner. He's won so many matches for NGC, and I'm sure Dhoni Bhai ने सोचा भी होगा कि उन्होंने बहुत मैचेस देखे होंगे दिल्ली लीग वगैरह, because Dhoni Bhai played for Indian Airlines. Even I played for Indian Airlines at that time. So then I ended up playing for Bharat Petroleum. But yeah, that happened because Dhoni Bhai. Thanks to Dhoni Bhai for putting me in fine leg. And Miguel Bhai, I'll be honest, मेरा दिमाग में कुछ नहीं था. मैं यही सोच रहा था भगवान
हम लोग काम कर रहे थे. हम लोग काम कर रहे थे.
मैं बोला यार कुछ भी हो जाए मैच जीतना है. और क्या बोला यार, बाकी सब आप सबकी दुआ था बस. थैंक यू.
Oh, and Srisan takes it. मतलब हम लोग तो पागल.
Sri sir, yeah, Ravi sir was. It was.
But, Sri, I have to take you back. We'll talk about your highs, but we'll talk about a little bit about your lows. In 2013, things didn't go as you may have expected. In your bad times, have you lost your friends, lost few friends, relationships changed? Did you feel that there is a little bit of a void and vacuum in your life?
See, I when I wear their shoes, I would have done the same because a lot of people doesn't know. A lot of cricketers, publicly didn't come up. A lot of colleagues didn't come publicly and support me, but a lot of people came privately. A lot of people sent me messages, even public-wise. Viru Bhai and a lot of people spoke about me. So whoever knew me knew that a person who doesn't even listen to the captain, he will not listen to somebody for a small sum. And I got a white line fever, like Alan Donald says, when I played for Warwickshire. I always looked at the positive side. I was only worried about my mom, dad, and my nephews and niece when they go to school, what they will be thinking. Because I knew, till you're not proven guilty, you are guilty. Because the people will say a lot of things, especially the media, not just India. now, yes, they all realized it, but it took me 2.5 years to get a clear thing from the court in 2015. फिर उसके बाद मुझे 4 साल और वेट करना पड़ा मुझे बैन लिफ्ट करने के लिए. तो all this while, I think from 2015 people started again getting to know me better, and thanks to Colors TV for putting me in Bigg Boss, and I did Jhalak Dikla Ja. I showed this brave face thanks to Pooja Bhatt and Mahesh Bhatt sir, because they gave me an opportunity to do a Bollywood flick. I did a movie with Siddhi Vinayak production. So all this thing happened. So I will never, it's like I have to take the responsibility for what I went through, and I don't want to blame. And that's when the ban got lifted last year by BCCI and gave me the permission, and everything falls in place at the right time. So I want to take this opportunity to tell everybody, never ever give up, because see, if you think about Dada came as president now, and everything is looking positive, and it's just a matter of me not giving up and not missing my training. I never especially in 2015, if you remember, I don't know whether you'll remember, because I was really fat because I was doing movies, and
you had bulked up, right?
बहुत bulked up. I was 106 kgs with I think 9.5% of fat or something, because I got into bodybuilding and all that. क्योंकि मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा था अपने आप पे, सब पे, और it was not easy. There is no shame in saying that, I was not there, because cricket is everything for me, and suddenly cricket is taken away. I can't go to a ground. I can't watch a match in a ground. ऐसे बहुत कुछ हुआ, और I always look at the brighter side. There are times.
Not easy. It's not easy, Sri.
Yes,
I know.
There are a lot of cricketers who, in fact, saw me at the airport and just walked out and all that. So it's okay. I mean, I wear their shoes. I only look at it. I'm not here to take revenge. I'm happy to have such a great family, my friends and people like you who supports me. Thank you very much. And so that keeps me going. And you just got to believe in yourself, and the tough times don't last. Tough people do.
Tough people do. Tough people do. Of course, Rahul Dravid always used to say that, and we used to follow that line as well. What is the most memorable piece of advice MS Dhoni has given you, Sri?
Dhoni bhai said a lot of things, lot of good things. In fact, I think very difficult to say one thing. One of the things I'll tell a few things, because it will help the youngsters who's watching this. I think one thing which he said is he believes in, as I'm sure maybe you'll know. He keeps telling in interviews also. He says, गलतियां सबसे होते हैं, mistakes. Especially if you're trying for an in-swing and there is no fielder there, and you still want to try it. गलती हो गया, ठीक है. But ये जो गलती है ना, जो गलती आप करने वाले, इसको दोबारा repeat तो होगा, पक्का होने वाला है. But try to control that mistake. दोबारा ना होए. मतलब if you're trying something too hard and if it's not happening, don't keep doing that again and again in a match, because the distance between those mistakes should be far. मतलब that is a huge learning thing. And उसके बाद मुझे अभी भी याद है 2007 वर्ल्ड कप में जब हम लोग गए और हम बॉल आउट प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे, और मुझे अभी भी याद है हम लोग बोल रहे थे कि वेंकटेश प्रसाद was the bowling coach, Robin sir was fielding coach, Lalchand Rajput sir was our coach. It was a great team, and we had a superb manager. So it was all youngsters, and Dhoni bhai used to say, यार बैटिंग करना है, bowling करना है, बैटिंग करना है, bowling करना है. मतलब it was his first captaincy. He had never captained. It was a great experience. Irfan, Viru bhai was there as a senior. The big three was not there. So Dhoni bhai used to say, I can't even say it in live also. जो करना है कर ले, हमको तो जीतना है, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Sri, which Indian cricketer has supported you all through your career, through the ups and downs? One guy who stood by you and been like a 3 a.m., 4 a.m. friend for you.
Yeah, very few. Lakshman bhai used to be there. Lakshman bhai always, because I was in the Lakshman bhai. Viru bhai spoke, and Viru bhai was in touch with me. Gautam Gambhir, for that matter, he messaged me and he supported me. I'm in touch with Bajipa for a long time now.
Is he your cheta? Is Bajipa your cheta?
Bajipa. I always call him Bajipa because हमारे इधर एक विश्वास है कि सरदार को हक करके जाते हैं तो बहुत लकी होता है. So my best friend when I was growing up, it was DP Singh, Damanpreet Singh. वो कोची से है. तो मेरा क्लब मैच में वो ऑफ स्पिनर डालते थे और राइट हैंड बैट्समैन थे. तो मैं बोलूँगा, you know, all these people kept in touch. Yuvipa, I did a function with him in between. A lot of cricketers. Then Murli, I met a lot of Tamil Nadu cricketers when I trained with Ramji Srinivasan sir. Ramji Srinivasan sir ke saath, even he sent me a schedule now for following. He was my trainer from MRF Peace Foundation. T. Shekhar sir, I'm in touch with. Sir has always pushed me. And, you know, yeah, and all the Kerala cricketers, everybody was there. Sanju, Sachin Baby, and they used to come and train here. Sachin Baby used to come and practice here. He still does after the lockdown is. So, yeah, few cricketers, but other cricketers used to send this rare messages. Shande Sinda hai na? Haan. वो वाला. So, no, I have no complaints. No complaints to anybody. I am just happy that I'm back, and today I'm so happy, very, very happy. One of the main reasons is we are having a live conversation, and you must be seeing the shine because Sachin Paji replied me on Twitter, and it was like, oh my God, wow.
Oh, wow, what a day. Lovely.
Yeah, Sach mein. I mean, Sachin Paji just replied, and it's a great thing for me. It's a big fan moment. In fact, yeah, God's been kind, so I think everything is looking good.
Everything is looking good, and I only hope 2020 and 21, 22, 23 just turn out to be a brilliant start again for what is another promising second innings for you, Sreesanth. Karanveer Kapoor is saying, sir, I haven't seen your bowling live. I recently saw the highlights of 2007 World Cup. Your bowling was a lovely sight to see. Thank you, Karanveer Kapoor. Please send in your questions. Now I'm not asking questions anymore. I'm only taking questions from the people who are joining us on chat. We have another question coming in. Sanjeev Perumal says, sir, the Jacques Kallis bouncer, 3 hearts, just awesome. Mahesh Ballappa, Sri, I am from same school as you, Florence Public School, Bangalore. When are you coming to school? We are waiting.
Yes, I just read that. Thank you, yaar, Mahesh. Mahesh Ballappa. Chennagidralla.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಹ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ Okay, by the way, Sri, I don't know if you remember, but under 13 Aptech Cup Kerala, Bangalore, Karavali Cricket Academy, we had a match against each other. And that's when the first time I met a very soft-spoken Sri who was captaining the side, who had a player shot. He comes up to me and says, can we borrow a player from you till our player comes? We don't have one. And I started fielding for Sri. Such a soft-spoken, polite boy, I remember.
That still keeps happening to our academy. So most of the times, हर कोई का आजकल का आपको ज्यादा पता होगा क्योंकि आजकल का पेरेंट्स want the players to play in the 11. कोई भी जो अगर प्लेइंग 11 में नहीं है तो पता चलते ही नहीं आता. तो हमारे इधर भी थोड़ा अभी भी चल रहा है. अभी I'm sure a lot of clubs must be going through that. If you're not in the playing 11, they find it difficult to come to the ground. I remember.
Jay Singh is asking your favorite IPL team.
अभी मेरा कमबैक है यार. जय सिंह मेरा फेवरेट आईपीएल कोची टस्कर्स था.
Kochi Tuskers, of course.
Actually, I love Mumbai Indians. I love Sachin Paji, yaar. I mean, Sachin Paji where he plays, and Rohit is the captain. And I studied in Bangalore, so I love RCB. Chennai, Dhoni. I mean, it's very difficult to say which IPL team. I love cricket. I love watching it. So if I make a comeback now and if I get an opportunity to play for any team, I'll take it. So I don't want to get into controversy saying I love only this team.
Absolutely.
कोई भी ले लो मैं खेल लूंगा.
So you're clocking 143. I mean, Sri, great fitness. Pratiksha Chaube, what about Rahul Dravid? Please describe him.
Rahul bhai, I mean, I don't think I deserve to even describe about him because he is a legend. I think I remember, I will share one superb experience with you, Mikhail. I've never told this to a lot of people. Very few people knows. Rahul bhai was dropped in between when we were in school. We had gone there for BT Ramaya Cup and under 14 team. Under 14 Karnataka team was getting announced. Under 16, under 14. So I had gone for my under 16 selections in Palace Ground and all that. And then the list comes on the board in KCA. So we had to go. So I used to cycle all the way to.
You just seem to be losing connection, Sri. Sri, we are losing your connection. We are losing your connection. Yeah. So the results were on the board. You're saying KCA board. After that, we lost it.
Yes. So, I had this BSSLR cycle, and I used to cycle all the way from Vidaranapura. I used to stay there with my sister. So from there, I used to come to the ground. So I met Rahul Bhai, we all know, being from Karnataka, studying in Karnataka, there were some 9 cricketers already playing for India from Karnataka. All the legends were there. And we were so many youngsters looking at that board and trying to figure out this our name there, our name there, our name there. It's like that. And suddenly you see Rahul Bhai coming up the stairs and just walking nicely. And he's also looking at the team. And he was just going through the team and, bro, we just said, Rahul sir, can we get an autograph? So he just comes to and says, all the very best. Don't worry about this list. This list doesn't matter. What matters is if you're not in this list, what you do. Man, see, I'm actually getting goosebumps. So he said, now I'm dropped from the team. What I meant is we were saying, after this conversation, we were like, he's dropped from the team and he's pushing it hard. And that man was so focused at that time. I'm talking long back when he just got dropped after his debut and all that. So after that, I'm meeting him in camp. Then it was Mr. Rahul Dravid, the legend. So Rahul Bhai's class from the time I met him as a huge cricket fan when I was a 15-year-old. And playing with him was obviously God's been extremely kind. And Rahul Bhai has always supported me. Even when I played for the Leap Trophy for South Zone, he was captaining. And I remember him. He always pushed me. He always said, Shri, agar khelna to performance ke saath. And agar khelna hai to give your very best. Don't play around. You don't know how good you are. So don't play around the game. A lot of people used to think that I am more of entertainment side. Rahul Bhai used to get this feedback from a few cricketers, my own colleagues, that he's out and he's gone out late. So Rahul Bhai used to always come and tell me, Sri, never miss a training session. I never did, God's grace. So Rahul Bhai, the comment will be less. Yeah, this show won't be enough. This live won't be enough. Rahul Bhai, Sachin Bhai, they are all legends. And I always thank all these legends because if I could improve my cricket, me playing for Kerala, yes, I'm thankful to the Kerala Cricket Association and Ranji Trophy and all that. MRFP's foundation, where I played a lot of good cricket. In Chennai League, Delhi League for Indian Airlines, Bharat Petroleum in Mumbai. All that is fine. But the best thing that could happen to S. Sreesanth, the Malayali, a Kerala cricketer, is playing with these legends in the nets. Bowling to them every day made me a better bowler because to get them out itself is a huge task. So after bowling to Sachin Paji and Lakshman Bhai, Ganguly, Rahul Dravid, Gautam Gambhir, Virendra Sehwag, Yuvraj Singh. Oh my God.
Wow.
So even if you remember, even the domestic circuit, there were some really good cricketers. So I am just blessed to have played with all of these guys, and that made me who I am, and I'm really thankful. And Shivashish, thank you, Shivaji. Jai Sri Mahakal. He was there with me in Bigg Boss. So he just said hi. Sorry. Jai Sri
Wonderful.
Mahakal,
Jai Sri Mahakal. Jai Sri. I'm also joining in the chorus. It's Om Mangtani's birthday. He says, Sri Bhai, we need a senior bowler for India in T20 World Cup. I love you, says Om Mangtani.
Om Nandani, oh, happy birthday. May God bless you. देखते हैं जय माता दी देखते हैं 2020 World Cup it's in 2021 but one thing I'm really looking forward is 2023 World Cup, win that World Cup and then retire. That is what my dream will be. Miracle, if that's a miracle, but yeah, I am going to give my heart out and give my very best. I know there are much better bowlers right now, much better cricketers. I'm working on my batting also, so I just want to make sure I don't give any chance for others to talk except my performance. So I have learned it in the hardest possible way. I think as Nikhil Bhai just genuinely said before, I have seen the hardest times, and that have only made me a better human being and a better cricketer for sure. And that is really helping me in my life. So I won't give up. I will not give up till 2024.
We can see that determination in your eyes as you say that, Sri. I can see that in your eyes. It's so evident. It's so evident.
Appreciate. Thank you.
Anurag Sinha is saying you batted well as well. Are you practicing batting too?
Yes, I'm really working on my batting because it's important. It's important, especially in Kerala. As I said, I need to win the Ranji Trophy, and what I've learned from playing for the country is always it really lower order contribution is really important. And if I can improve batting at 5, 6, 7 for the first class team like Manoj Prabhakar. Yeah.
No problem.
From number 11, he became an opening batsman. And
Oh,
Ravi
yes.
Shastri, from number 11, he's played the opening. So it's a process. I am enjoying the process. Yes, of course, I would love to open and all that. But then with performance, not in a hurry. I have another 7 years to go in first class.
Great, Sri. I mean, the questions are coming thick and fast. I don't want to take much of your time. Just a few more questions that I have as well over here lined up for you. Your most favorite roommate in your cricketing tours and travels?
In Indian team, we never had a roomie. In fact, we all had single rooms. We were
Single
very
rooms.
fortunate.
Travel partner?
I always enjoyed, it was morely Robin Uthappa, Suresh Raina, Dhoni Bhai, and Irfan. We four were almost, we were the youngsters in the team, and we always hanged out together. So we hung out literally everywhere. And towards the end, also, I remember Rohit Sharma, Praveen Kumar. Praveen Kumar, Rohit, and me used to be together. So yeah, Robin was there. Yeah, Dhoni was always there as this big brother. So where he said, "ये नहीं करना है, चलो चलो." So he was more like.
Oh, Srishant, कहाँ देख रहे हैं Srishant?
नहीं, वो मेरा मैं नहीं हूँ उसमें. वो दिनेश कार्तिक है, मैं नहीं हूँ.
Okay, sorry, गलती.
वो डीके करता है, मैं नहीं. डीके के एक नाम है, पता है, लाइफ में नहीं बोलना चाहिए, बट फिर भी यार डीके आजकल बहुत कुछ बोल रहे हैं मेरे बारे में, तो मैं आपको बोल देता हूँ. उनको तमिलनाडु जब एमआरएफ में खेलते थे, हमारा टीम होते थे ग्लोब ट्रॉटर्स, उधर से वो कीपिंग करके बैटिंग करते थे और लेंथ से पहले 100 मार देते थे. इतना तेज बैटिंग करता था और इतना स्वीप मारता था, इतना बहुत अच्छा खेलता है, ऑब्वियसली एवरीबॉडी नोज. और उनका एक निकनेम है, तो तमिलनाडु में जो शरीर छोटा और सर बड़ा होता है ना, तो उनको कोलमंडे बोलते हैं, कोलमंडे. So our sir Sendilnathan sir was there, who was a brilliant coach, he was a brilliant cricketer. हमेशा वो लंच के बाद जैसे 100 मार के बैट उठ रहा था, इधर ड्रेसिंग रूम के अंदर बोलता था, मच्चा आउट आउट पड़ा है, sure. He used to say he is going to play some stupid shot and get out. He will get out and come. Dinesh never used to even look at him. He used to walk like this. And Sendilnathan sir used to call, "Hey, Coleman, fine."
RD0036, are we looking at your comeback very soon in the Indian cricket team?
Thank you, Arti. Thank you.
Then, Sri, I'll take you through one moment. This was in 2009 Kanpur when you were playing Sri Lanka. You won the man of the match after you all beat Sri Lanka by an innings. There in the presentation, MS Dhoni came and told that we have two of the best reverse swing bowlers, and S. Srishant is right there along with Zair Khan. And then, in fact, he went on to say that when you take a look at the skills and ability, Srishant is slightly ahead of Ishant Sharma at this point in time as well. This is soon after you got your reverse swinging deliveries in that Kanpur test match and won India that test match against Sri Lanka. You had great moments. I mean, bowling to Matthew Hayden, Gilchrist, or for that matter, Andrew Simons, and your altercations with him, but all healthy fights and, you know, a lot of aggression. Andre Nel, Jacques Kallis catch. Your favorite moment till date, that one moment till date that you would want to take with you till the very end and you would relive and rewatch every time?
The moment when Sachin Paji gave me that blue cap in Nagpur, that was a huge moment for me when it comes to cricket career. Where he gave me an amazing, he said, "You totally deserve to be here. Never doubt your ability. You're representing your country. You're representing your state, representing a lot of people out there. Always have faith and never ever give up and never doubt your ability." That moment is something which I always cherish. Yes, I was fortunate enough to win the 2007 World Cup, being a part, 2011 World Cup, 2007, and I did go 2007 with the West Indies, which we lost also. I was lucky to be part of 3 World Cups, but I ended up playing in the Kochi Stadium a couple of times. That is one of my favorite moments. But when it comes to what specific one moment of my life which I want to keep repeating, will be that Sachin Baji coming up to me and Rahul Bhai being the captain, giving me the cap and saying, "Welcome to our club," and that is an
Wow.
insane moment.
What a feeling. Sri, I believe you also wrote a song on Shiva. There was a time where you became a lot more spiritual and you heard you
I am,
just
I am, everybody says Shiv Bhakt. I'm a Shiv slave. In fact, I had a surgery, when I was 6 weeks old. Some tumor was removed from my stomach. And my father had prayed that if he survives, he will be given as a slave to Shivji's temple, Etumanur temple. So Etumanur temple, in fact, when I got out of the hospital, my father actually took me and kept it in front of Guruvayur, it seems it's a Krishna temple in Etumanur temple. And my mom and my grandmother came to know, and they cried a lot. So they came to the temple and asked the priest what to do. My dad actually left me at the temple. So because I was the 4th kid, and he had promised the Almighty that, Srishan, this is your slave. He will work here in this temple. So my mom and dad went and asked the priest. So the priest told, just put 1 rupee in that kundi and then take your child. But make sure he is a Shiv Bhakt and he always worships Shivji. And wherever city where you are, make sure you go to a Shiva temple. So I am a huge Shiv slave, and I love Shiva. Om Namah Shivaya.
Oh, Om Namah Shivaya. One batsman you found it very difficult to get him out or a bowl to in your entire international career. You felt that he was a very skillful batsman with a lot of ability. Say an opponent, because you may be bowling to your batsman in the nets every day, but an opponent you felt who was good at his skills.
A lot of them, I think Jack Scully he's a legend when it comes to giving your very best. He had a rib cage. He had torn his rib cage. Still, he scored a double-hundred against us in Cape Town. He's very shrewd, and I think one of the best batsmen I ever bowled to. I was fortunate enough to bowl to a lot of people actually. Ponting, Gilchrist, Hayden, and Mr. 360 used to always get out to me. I don't know why.
Talking about wicket, Sahil Mehta is saying Sreesanth is the best outswing India bowler I have seen after Kapil Dev.
Kapil Paji is the best.
After Kapil Dev. This is after Kapil Dev. He adds after Kapil Dev. Biggest memory is the perfect outswinger with perfect seam position to get Matt Pryor out in the first slip in 2011 in England. Ooh, people have memory.
Thank you. And thanks to the social sites also. I mean, they keep... that's one thing which I'm really thankful that YouTube and Facebook and Insta, Twitter, Hello, there's a new app. So all these people have always kept these videos of mine, and that most of this family, I call my fans family. So all these people keep sending me these amazing videos which motivated me. So I was, oh, not bad, that was me. Okay, chalo ek aur bar karke dekhte hain. So it's been wonderful. I mean, it's a great.
Sri, you did mention it's a lot of competition right now in the Indian pace department. Any young bowlers impressed you a lot with his bowling? You've really taken notice of it?
See, I have this bowler. Yes, I love all the Indian cricketers who's been. I mean, everybody speaks about Shami and Bumrah, and Ishant is doing a great job. I think he worked a lot with Manoj Prabhakar sir also. He gave a lot of. Manoj sir knows a lot of thing. He worked with Paji and
risk position and all.
Absolutely. So all these cricketers everybody talks about, but when it comes to youngsters, I really like Siddharth Kaul, who's from Punjab, who plays for I think for Lakshman Bhai's teams Hyderabad. So I really like him. He does really well in first class, and he knows to get wickets. I saw one live match, Kerala versus Punjab, and we have this bowler called Nidish. He's been working with me. Nidish, Siddharth got 5 wickets and Nidish got a 7 in that match, and one in the second innings. So, and we won the match. So Nidish is one bowler. He's more like a West Indian bowler. So he's easily clocking 135 plus. So Nidish is one from Kerala. Then Basil Thambi, everybody knows Basil Thambi. So I love Basil Thambi, Nidish, and Siddharth Kaul. I'm not being politically right, being a Malayali, but I really love Basil Thambi and Nidish and Siddharth, because they are all the three can bowl 140 plus, and they are
Wow.
fast. And there are a few bowlers out there, but I've not been much. I've been watching as much match as possible now. That's it.
Sahil is asking, was getting MS Dhoni bowled with a Yorker in IPL your best ball that you bowled in IPL?
No, that is like a sweet. How do I say? Sweet revenge or something like that. It was like धोनी भाई को यॉर्कर में आउट करना कोई चांस ही नहीं है, क्योंकि उनका हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट सबको पता है. He can hit that Yorker ball outside the stadium. He's that strong. तो धोनी भाई को outsinger, I mean Yorker में आउट करना was a big challenge for me, and भगवान की कृपा है कि उस दिन में शायद he had just come to bat, and first ball he took a double, and second ball he got bowled. He never expected maybe me bowling 10th or 11th over, bowling a Yorker with the new ball. So God's grace, I visualized a lot. Visualization really helps. So Dhoni was a slight late, so I was very fortunate to get him out. But yes, that is one of the best wickets I have bowled. But as I said, the best wicket I ever bowled is Sachin Paji, nothing else.
Right. Sri, now you're planning your comeback. Do we see the same aggressive Srishant in his comeback as well? That same character who's ready to tell the batsman in his face and give him a two, three words onto him, or we'll see a different Srishant on display on his comeback?
I honestly don't know. I have to start playing. I haven't played a competitive cricket for almost 7 years now. So I will play. I played a lot of celebrity matches. In fact, I'm not boasting, but I scored 900s in the last, 28 innings or something.
What are you saying?
Yeah, I've started opening the batting for celebrity cricket, and I haven't really played. I've been friendly and nice because you're playing with all these celebrity sides and under 19 boys and under 23 boys. So I don't know, but I'm sure Srishant is still obsessed with cricket and passionate about the game. So when it comes to the team and when it matters, I won't be aggressive or like really, really aggressive. But yes, I will not give up. I will give a fight, not just a fight. I would love to be on top of the batsman when I'm bowling.
I'm sure, Sri. I can imagine what you're trying to convey. Jyoti is saying, Sri, please sing a song. Please sing a song.
रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे सारे बहार के. हो राही हो राही हो राही हो राही.
Sri, you're a dancer, you're an actor, you're a singer, you're a Big Boss star. In the true sense, you're all rounder all the way.
This live session started with my genes. So thanks to my mom, dad, they never, because I was the fourth kid, they never stopped me from doing anything. When I said I want to go for a music competition, they said go. Dance competition, go. Because my dad used to have this funny side where he says, तू ऐसे भी fourth kid है, जो करना है कर लो, 3 kid है जो मुझे देखभाल करेंगे. तो your mama and father will be taken care by your elder brother and 2 sisters. So don't worry. You take care of yourself.
Great. Sri, all I want to say is, we're running out of time and I don't want to take much of your time. You've been so kind to give so much of your time and attention and cooperation. All I can say is, as we've started this discussion, the only messages that we are getting is, we love you, Sri. We are waiting for your comeback, Sri. So good to see you, Sri. And I can only tell you one thing as a cricketer, as someone who's been a servant to Indian cricket, you'll be delighted to see that your fans love you beyond anything else at this point in time and want to see a comeback. And me as well, who's followed your cricket over a period of time, all I can say is, for all the highs that you've given us, for all the highs that you've given us, and for all the lows that you have faced in life, you deserve lots more in the coming years. And that's truly our wish from each and every one of us over here, Sri. You're a wonderful guy, great character, endearing personality, always smiling. And I can only wish the best for you, Sri. It was wonderful chatting. Dial C for CricFit has never experienced.
I just want to say, because Salman Khushis, somebody just messaged me to talk about Salman sir, who got me out of everything, and he's the one who actually fought for me at the court and got me the permission in Supreme Court. Salman Khushis sir actually was Salman Khushis sir was my like a god for me. So he and Rebecca ma'am sir, these two people in fact really helped me, and I cannot forget them. especially in Supreme Court, and I'm really thankful to them. Yeah, that I will say. And again, thank you very much, Mikhail, for giving me an opportunity. In fact, even मैंने भी अभी ध्यान दिया कि it's around 9, so it's time for me to bat. I do my.
We just seem to have lost you again.
Yeah, sorry. तो मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि we'll keep in touch. Take care and love, and everybody to everybody at home. Stay safe, stay home. And जो भी लोग whoever was watching, thank you very much, guys. It was great to see you all. I'm really sorry. मुझे सब कुछ I couldn't answer, but that's how time permits. Next time, and I think tomorrow again I'm live.
Thank you very much. Love to your kids. Regards to all at home, and blessings and great wishes for a great September 2020 onwards.
And last thing, but Rajinikanth Pusaluala, last but not least. So I just want to say, please never ever give up on whatever dreams you have. Achieve, work hard, the will to prepare. Use this time really well. Be wise in your decisions. I am so sure if I can, a guy from a Kerala state where I'm from, Kakur, which is a more small village, from there, if I could win 2 World Cups, standing next to Sachin Paji, which I only dreamed of, anybody can do anything in this world. God bless you, and never ever give up as long as we breathe. Love you all.
Thank you, Sri. Thank you. Royal salute to you for your time and cooperation. Thanks. All the very best. God bless. God bless.